our next enhancements that we're looking at will be within the customer service module, but it also will be affected by the invoicing. Basically, we want to add two more modules to this section. And one of them is going to be, and I have screenshots that'll back this up, instead of payment terms, you're going to have one that will say customer billing frequency. And you're going to be able to click on whether it's a quarterly payment, a monthly, a bi-weekly, a daily, or every 5 days. So you'll have one that will say customer billing frequency below this, and you'll click on a drop down box and it will drop down just like these. Now the one below that, the next one, will be customer billing sequence, and the sequence will do this. Like this one here, say we set it for monthly. We talked about monthly, weekly, bi-weekly. What this one will say is set 1 month and it'll say equals 16 business days, or set 1 month equals 3 weeks, or set 1 month equals 30 days, or set 1 week equals 3 days, or set 1 week equals 2.5 days. Now these here will be applied to the individual customer. So we may change this scenario of the sequence. It could be different, where we may bill one customer monthly at 3 weeks, another one we may bill at exactly 30 days. Now, where we would set up these fields and settings would be in here. We'd set it up here as what equals what, and to choose it, but we would have the globally, but it would appear here under each customer's profile. Now where this is affected is through our invoicing system here. Obviously, anytime that you finish an invoice, you can manually bill an invoice and stop it at any time that you want. But what we're saying is, for an auto invoice, right now, this auto invoice only dictates 30 days. What we're going to need to do is add a column here, and all you need to do is put the frequency. So let's say, for instance, we're going to take this, and I think I can only move it to the left here. Let's just say I'm going to create a column here. I don't know if I can go back this way. I guess I can go back this way. What will happen is that I'll create a column in here that will allow me to put in here frequency, the word frequency. It'll say monthly, weekly, bi-weekly, or whatever it is. And then it'll have to have a code behind it, because if it's monthly, it'll be, and this will be spelled out in your settings, monthly -3, and 3 may refer to 3 weeks, monthly dash 2.5, monthly dot 16, whatever code we decide to assign to it, so we know what the billing frequency is and how it's appearing. So I'll have 30 days will appear in whatever you want to say, monthly or abbreviation, and that will appear so I know what the sequence is here. Now again, this needs to appear in the summary, and it needs to appear in the auto-generated. Needs to appear in both places so that we're able to see that information and understand where it's coming from. Now this frequency column should also appear on any reports that are printed. So there should be a frequency column in here that tells me the date, the day, the billing pattern, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So you'll have it appear several places. Now there's one other place. Actually, there's two other places that the type billing sequence has to appear. Has to appear in the rental sales order here, in the type, in the list right here, and then it needs to appear at the bottom here when the billing is going on. So there needs to be a column in here with the frequency, as well as where I showed you back in the invoice list right